How to add Hotjar to React app. Open the Hotjar website and create a new account for your project. Go to the site settings page and copy the site ID from your dashboard. Open your React project folder on your computer. Install the Hotjar package by typing npm install React Hotjar in the terminal. Wait for the installation to finish inside your project. Open your main React files such as index.js or main.jsx. Import the Hotjar function from the React Hotjar package. Place the Hotjar initialize code inside the main file using your site ID. Save the file after adding the initialization code. Open your app component to make sure everything still loads correctly. Start your development server again using npm start. Visit your local site in the browser to generate user activity. Go back to your Hotjar dashboard to check if data is being received. Confirm that recordings or heat maps begin showing activity from your React app. Thank you for watching.